Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Remini and picking the best source photo. Choose a clearer, larger image because the AI restores detail based on existing pixels. Once signed in and permissions granted, tap the plus or import button to load your picture. Make sure to crop tightly around the subject so the model focuses on the face or object you want improved. This early precision speeds processing and yields cleaner results, so prepare one photo and import it now. Once your image is loaded, choose Enhance mode and set the strength, 1 for minor fixes, 3 for aggressive reconstruction, because strength balances noise removal against detail preservation. If the subject is a person, enable face repair so Remini prioritizes facial landmarks. Choose Colorize only when you want color added. Tap Preview and let the app generate a quick low-resolution sample so you can compare original and result. If the preview looks off, adjust strength or options and preview again before committing. After you approve the preview, tap Save or Export to render the full resolution image and choose where to store it. This final step preserves edits and lets you share. If you see odd artifacts or over-smoothing, make sure to retry with a lower enhancement strength or recrop to reduce background noise. These adjustments often fix issues. If processing stalls or the app crashes repeatedly, clear the app cache, restart your device, or reinstall Remini. Contact support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.